Hi, I'm Dakota with DeatschWerks. I'm here with the brand new X2 dual pump Subaru module. This fits any WRX STI from 2008 to 2021. The billet top hat and billet center section mate with the OE bucket, combining the best features of aftermarket performance with the ease of OE drop-in fitment. The billet top hat has an 8AN feed, a 6AN return, and a 6AN Venturi port that utilizes a saddle pickup. The OE bucket requires no modifying or cutting of the OE components. It retains the Venturi-powered surge bucket fill, a saddle transfer pickup, and the OE level sender. The Venturi jet is proven to be effective down to 1/8 of a tank. We have our billet center section with our dual DW300s. This flows up to 630 liters per hour at 58 PSI. This is 300% over the OE module. And also this will support up to 1200 horsepower crank or 750 wheel. The X2 module can come with 2 DW300s installed or with no pumps at all. The billet center section will fit any 39mm pump. We offer an optional plumbing kit for the Subaru X2 that replaces all of the OE lines. That includes a CPE or PTFE line, a fuel pressure regulator, a gauge, a fuel filter, and all the fittings necessary. For more information, go ahead and click the links below or go to DeatschWerks.com. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.